All right, sun is setting. It's a little bit later day. It's been a long day, but got lots done. So this got all attached and in. This is going to the new production building that's going to be right there. That is the drain for it. So the shutoff's right there, and then pipe will come out and the drain will be right there, and then pipe will come up and go straight into the production area. So we got all of this in here. I'm a little nervous. This is not very deep right there. So what I may end up doing is got a connector in. Where'd that connector go? Probably right in there somewhere. Nope, there it is. So you see it right there. It's basically lined up with the last nectarine tree right there. So what I might do is put in a 2-inch shutoff right here and put a drain in there. So the shutoff would be back here somewhere, and then the drain would be right there, and that would drain both of these lines out, and I wouldn't have to worry about it as much, and I could still keep the rest of the line on. And that might be the wisest thing to do. So all of this got in though. It's all in that trench. This area is really good. And all got down in there. This was my first heavy duty connector, and it was kind of a bear because there's a funky twist over there that I need Michael to clean out that bend right there a little bit better, and get it a little bit deeper, because the dirt's gone into it. So we just get that out of there, and then this should be all set. So there's a pipe for the tiny house coming up right here, and then right there is the stub for the hoop house manifold that's going to go right here, and there'll be four or five valves right here. One of them has to be for the line that runs out that way and then runs to the front yard, or the front driveway, on this side of the driveway. So the rest of this is really good, all through here and here. And then I got this down into there, and then I'm gonna have Michael clean that out for me and get it a little bit bigger for me tomorrow, so that I can attach this setup right here to that baby right there, which is the well pipe right now. And then this is the other line that is gonna go out to the veggie yard. And you can see it's sticking up a little bit here, but that's no big deal. That'll go down in there real nicely. It's pretty good depth in there. And really the only time that we're gonna have to worry about that depth is that first week in December. We're really not gonna have to worry about it any other time. So there is one more connection. It's right there. I'm thinking about maybe marking the deck right there with just a little tiny bit of orange paint, so that, or maybe even one of Paul's GPS dots. And then that would just sit there, and as long as it could hold up to the weather, then I would know the whole time where that connector is if I ever need it. And then the bend was pretty good right there. Had to go underneath the internet line, and then I did all of the connections that were needed here, just for one little stub out for the manifold for the veggie hoop houses, this one, and then the new one that's going to go in down there. Then tomorrow I'll clean this. This has got to get cut, and that needs to get attached in there, and I will bring this pipe right here. It's a 1-inch pipe, and I will bring this guy out from where it's going in there and bring it right into here and bring it right into that connection, and then it already runs underground and runs all the way over to that manifold that's over there. That's going to be stubbed out, and a faucet, a spigot is going to be put on there so that we can do the power washing from right there, and then we'll have all of the big tools will go in there like a carport.